Hi, I am Mike Jasma, CEO of Empower Neurosciences. We are an emerging spin-out of Theranova, an established medical device incubator in San Francisco. At Empower Neurosciences, we are developing home-use non-drug therapies for mental health disorders. Our team has deep experience in medtech. We are led by myself, Mike Jasma, as CEO, and Dan Burnett, who is a serial entrepreneur and a co-founder and chief medical officer for Empower Neurosciences. We believe that we have a platform technology for treating mental health disorders, but our first application is the treatment of anxiety disorders, which are very common, with 34% of Americans experiencing one in their lifetime. Accordingly, anxiety disorders are also very costly, with costs over $46 billion per year, representing a large commercial opportunity. The key players in anxiety are the amygdala and GABA. Studies have shown that anxiety is due to overactive neurons in the amygdala. GABA is a neurotransmitter that inhibits neuronal activity, and it has been shown that GABA concentration is low in people with anxiety disorders. Current treatments for anxiety include medications and psychotherapy. The first-line medications, which are antidepressants, and psychotherapy have both been shown to have low effectiveness. They also have challenges with patient compliance and acceptability. Benzodiazepines are another class of anxiety medication. They enhance GABA activity and accordingly are very effective. However, they are only safe for very short-term use because they are addictive. Acupuncture, which is a form of neuromodulation, has also shown promising results for treating anxiety via its effect on enhancing GABA activity. The key acupoints here are along the ulnar and median nerves. While both animal and clinical studies have shown compelling treatment effects, acupuncture involves needles and requires regular sessions, which is inconvenient and even unacceptable for many patients. Our solution is the Empower Neuromodulation System, a device that, like acupuncture, stimulates the ulnar and median nerves, but does so non-invasively through gel electrodes that are temporarily applied to the palm of the hand. As a TENS device, Empower is very safe for the patient. The system is fully wearable and consists of the stimulator that provides the electrical signal for nerve stimulation, and the electrode patch, which is reusable and then disposable. One patch lasts about 1 week, so this will provide recurring revenue with the regular purchase of electrode patches. The controller is secured to a wearable neoprene sleeve during use. As you can see, the Empower system is very easy to use, so the patient can self-administer treatment anywhere, making it very convenient. We are also developing a companion app that connects via Bluetooth to the controller and allows the patient and healthcare provider to monitor treatment, track usage, track treatment progress, and set treatment reminders. We have conducted a pilot clinical study funded by NIH through a Phase 1 SBIR. In this study, we enrolled 20 patients with alcohol use disorder, and we evaluated anxiety, alcohol consumption, and alcohol craving, all of which showed statistically significant reductions. After only 2 weeks of twice-daily Empower treatments, the decrease in anxiety was dramatic, with an average of 31%, and this was highly statistically significant. For IP, we have filed several patents to protect the key features of the Empower system. For our regulatory path, we have already had a pre-submission meeting with the FDA. Empower will be a de novo 510K as a Class 2 device, and there is good precedent for TENS devices through this pathway. Given our strong anxiety reduction results, we are now focused on anxiety treatment for market entry. However, we also see Empower as a platform technology, as GABA signaling is involved in several mental health disorders. For one, GABA inhibits dopamine-releasing neurons that become overactive in addiction. As I mentioned before, in our pilot clinical study in alcohol use disorder patients, Empower treatment provided significant reductions in alcohol consumption and craving. Our strategy is to pursue grant funding for these additional applications. We have been financed through grant funding and a seed investment from our incubator Theranova. We have 2 new SBIRs that recently received fundable scores, so we are expecting an additional $2.45 million in non-dilutive grant funding in early 2021. We are now raising an A round of $2.5 million to fund us through FDA de novo approval for the anxiety application. In conclusion, Empower offers a comprehensive solution for anxiety treatment, a convenient, safe, and effective non-drug therapy. Thank you for your time. Please email me directly if you have any questions, or would like to discuss an investment.